Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's still Kachi right here. If you're new, subscribe button is always down below. Please hit it, and if you're not new, welcome back home. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my own oil mix for my own hot oil treatment. And I'm going to be using 3 oils and 2 powders in this video. The first oil I'm going to be using is going to be the Ginseng Wonder 8 Miracle Oil. This oil is specifically for hot oil treatments. And the next oil I'm actually going to be using is going to be the Baobab Oil from the We Naturals Baobab range. And finally, the last oil I'm going to be using is going to be the Goya extra virgin olive oil. And for the powders, I'm going to be using cinnamon powder, which I got from a supermarket, and finally my favorite powder, Chebe Powder. And you actually also need a spatula and an empty plastic bottle. Bottle. The first thing I did was to pour my olive oil. My olive oil was going to be about 40% of the whole mixture. I poured my olive oil into the container. Then I'm going to pour my Wonder 8 oil into the container to also make up like 40% of the whole oil mix. Then I'm going to just add a few drops of baobab oil. I did not have a measurement for this. I just freestyled it. You can just do it according to the way you feel. Then I'm also going to add about 2 or 3 spoons of my cinnamon powder. Then I finally go in with my Chebe powder that is almost done. I put about 2 or 3 spoons also of my Chebe powder. After which I leave in the sun for about 10 days for it to infuse fully into the oil mix. Then I actually go ahead and sieve it out. But every day I make sure I shake it so that everything would mix up together. The thing is, you can actually use it like this on your hair for your hot oil treatment if Chebe doesn't irritate your scalp. But if Chebe irritates your scalp, then you should try to sieve it out. This is the oil after like 10 days, and I already poured it into the other container, this glass bottle. And this is what the oil is for my hot oil treatment. You can also check my Instagram for more tea on this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.